If you have ever wondered how much paint you need for a wall or how much wood you need for a picture frame, you are doing geometry. Most people get their two things mixed up. But today I'm going to show you a simple trick to master perimeter and area. Imagine you have a backyard. If you want to build a fence to keep your dog in, you need to measure the distance around the yard. That's perimeter. But if you want to buy a tiles for your ground, you need to know how much surface you are covering. That is area. So, in simpler word, perimeter is actually the boundary where area is the inside space of the ground. Now, let's understand how to calculate the perimeter of the square. As we know, in square, all the sides are equal. So here, each side of the square is given as 4 centimeter. To calculate the perimeter of the square, we just need to multiply 4 with the side length. Why we are multiplying 4 with the side length? Because all the sides of the squares are equal. So we are going to do 4 times 4 centimeter, which makes it 16 centimeter. So the perimeter of the square is 16 centimeter over here. Now let's understand the area. As we have already studied, the area is actually the inside space. So to calculate the area, the formula is to multiply side length with the side length. So that is 4 times 4, which is again equal to 16 centimeter square. Remember, the unit for calculating the perimeter is centimeter, where for area it is centimeter square. Now let's study for rectangle. As we know, the property of rectangle is that the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So here, if this is 6 centimeter, this side will also be 6 centimeter. And if this is 3 centimeter, this side will also be equal to 3 centimeter. To calculate the perimeter of the rectangle, we need to add both the lengths and both the breadths of the rectangle. So here, we can simply say that it is actually equal to 2 times of length plus breadth because we have 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So here, as we know, 2 times length is 6 and the breadth is 3 centimeter. So we will write 2 times 6 plus 3 makes us 9. Now we are going to multiply 2 with 9. That gives us 18 centimeter. So the perimeter for this rectangle is going to be 18 centimeter. Now let's understand the area of the rectangle. To find out the area of the rectangle, the formula is to multiply the length with breadth. Here, the length is 6, breadth is 3. So the answer is going to be 18 centimeter square. Now it's time to pause the video. Can you find the perimeter and area? Write down your answers in the comments. If this made geometry easy, hit the subscribe button for Think Mathic. I'm here to make the math stress-free for kids and parents. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.